Hello, dear parents and students. Walnut team welcomes you to the new academic year. Today, I'll be giving you a fair idea about how teaching and learning process takes place in Walnut for 9th standard English. So now, it's English time for you. When we talk about English, the very first question that comes in our mind is, why do we teach English? English is the language of international communication, the media, and the internet. Having a good command of English helps us to have more opportunities in life. English is a requirement in NCERT curriculum. And other than that, it helps to create a strong first impression and also helps us to express our thoughts effectively. There are so many more reasons. It develops our language skills like reading, listening, speaking, and writing, and thus helps us to be a global citizen. Now let us see how students are taught English in Walnut School. Walnut team takes a lot of efforts to prepare the students accordingly. We mainly focus on face-to-face interaction by discussion-led teaching. In addition to this, at least 2 language skills are taught in every period. Text reading is done in the class. All the questions based on the chapters are discussed orally. Thus, the students become active learners. Homework is assigned and monitored on regular basis, which helps the student to revise the concepts taught in the class. Development in writing skills is also important for overall development of the student in English language. As the students are promoted to higher classes, the answers get longer and students have to write faster and in a good handwriting. They are expected to write answers to some personal response questions, wherein they have to express or convey their thoughts using good vocabulary. Here, good understanding and extra reading can constantly upgrade their language. Activities involving oral discussions are a regular part of curriculum, which helps the student to get comfortable to express their views and thus prepare them for writing such personal response questions. Working in smaller groups prepares the students for group discussion, which is the major requirement in interviews while applying for jobs. Tasks that require them to present something orally to peers also polish their public speaking skills. Studying regularly is expected from the students. They must get into the habit of reading quickly and writing at a fast pace. At least 20 to 30 minutes must be devoted to English every day. They have to complete the assignment worksheet by rereading the text and notes. Holiday homework is made more interesting by adding amusement and enthusiasm in the form of viewing movies and short films, along with reading books. Students are encouraged to listen and read various styles of the English language. This homework is taken seriously by us, so we expect you to be serious about it too. Watch the movies and read the books along with the children. It might just open up more conversational opportunities for your child and you. Here are some guidelines to help you study at home. Read the text again at home and practice writing answers. Keep practicing MCQs as that keeps the grammar concepts and vocabulary revised. Maximum exposure to the language can be done through regular conversations, movies, radio shows, books, etc. Now, the most important part, the examinations conducted in Walnut School. 2 unit tests and 1 term exam is conducted in each term. There are 2 such terms in the year. Only descriptive exams will be conducted on exam days marked in the calendar. Objective tests will be frequently conducted to keep students updated with concepts. Unit test papers will be for 80 marks and will go on for 3 hours. This will have descriptive questions only. Term exam will be of 80 marks and also will go on for 3 hours. This will prepare them for standard 10th board examination. Formative exams will carry a weightage of 20 marks per unit. Overall, in a unit, the distribution is 80 marks plus 20 marks, that equals to 100 marks. Unit 1 plus Unit 2 plus term will be equal to 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300 marks. Term 1 and Term 2 will carry 600 marks totally. There are 20 marks allotted for internal assessment. The marks for completed files and assignments are counted for standard 10th. Marks are also given for class participation and taking part in school activities. So focus on being an overall good student. What will be the portion for the exams? Each unit test will have the portion of that unit only. Term 1 exam will have portion of Unit 1 and Unit 2. Term 2 exam will have portion of Unit 3 plus Unit 4 and some lessons of Term 1 also will be included, for which the details will be sent later. The textbook students have to refer are 10th English NCERT textbook First Flight, which will be covered along with relevant grammar concepts and vocabulary building exercises. There will be a supplementary reader, Footprints Without Feet, which will prepare the students for standard 10th in a less stressful manner. One more important feature is the weekly test, in which 3 subjects will be tested every week. English test of 15 marks will be conducted every alternate week. These tests will help the students to revise chapters, content and language skills. These tests are totally meant for revision and the marks will not be included in the final assessment. There are some things to be careful about. Talk in English as much as you can. Being comfortable in that language is most important, as there are a lot of creative writing and personal response questions in the exam. Do the homework regularly. Reading novels, watching those movies will help you to get more comfortable with English. And the most important, don't miss school. You miss too much when you skip class. It's not easy, rather not possible to cover all that at home. Last but not least, every student is not blessed with good handwriting. But writing neatly and clearly will help the teachers to read your answers properly, which will help you to score good marks. After all, presentation matters. Some performing arts classes are converted to reading theatre. The focus is on English pronunciation and sentence delivery. Thus, the Walnut advantage is constant exposure to language through various activities. A working language approach prepares the students for real-life scenarios. Students are prepared by giving them very well thought-out assignments and exercises. Every activity given to the student has a special motive and helps build skills. Working grammar helps to improve their language accuracy even more. So parents, I conclude by saying, let us prepare our children to face the world by making them tough outside and smart inside. Thank you.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.